In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify and clean up your CRM workspace for a faster, more focused daily workflow. If your system feels crowded, distracting, or harder to use than it should be, this setup will help you remove visual noise and keep only what really matters. The goal here is not to change how your team works, but to make the interface cleaner so you can move through records, pipelines, and filters more efficiently. To begin, open the administrative configuration area and go to Settings, then Objects, and then Contacts. This is where you can manage how contact records are structured and displayed. Once you're there, look for the record customization options tied to the main sidebar layout. In many accounts, default fields are shown even when no one actively uses them. Hiding those unused fields makes the contact record easier to scan, especially for teams that need quick access to key information without scrolling through unnecessary details. As you review the sidebar, focus on keeping only the fields that support day-to-day work. Next, move over to your sales pipeline settings and reduce the number of visible stage steps to only the minimum necessary. A pipeline should be simple enough to understand at a glance. When there are too many stages, it becomes harder to track deal progress and easier for users to place records inconsistently. Tightening the pipeline view helps create clarity and can also improve reporting accuracy, since everyone is working from a more streamlined process. As you make these adjustments, keep the stage flow practical and easy for the team to follow. After that, go into your personal profile settings and review your notification alerts. Many platforms enable a wide range of alerts by default, and over time that can create unnecessary interruptions. Turn off any notifications that are not essential to your work. This helps reduce distraction and keeps important updates from getting buried under less useful ones. A quieter notification setup usually leads to better focus and a cleaner experience throughout the day. Finally, save the tracking filters you use most often and pin them as custom tab views. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow because it puts your most important filtered list just one click away. Instead of rebuilding the same search conditions every time, you'll have quick access to the exact views you rely on most. Choose names that are clear and easy to recognize so your workspace stays organized. Once these changes are in place, your CRM should feel much cleaner, lighter, and easier to use on a daily basis.